Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another product review, this time from GooLoo. Now this here is their GP2000 jump starter. Now I was sent this by them directly. They wanted me to test and review this product of theirs. Comes in this box. Also has the power bank feature built into it. There's the specs. So let's wait no further. Let's open it up, see what's in. Now I've tested and reviewed a few of these on my channel, and they've all done pretty good. Although my own personal vehicles, I've used them mostly for Good Samaritan and family members that have needed jump starts. These things really do help out a lot. Comes in a nice little molded case here. This is kind of a soft case. Here's the user manual. Now it is multi-language, so it's going to be thick. Now they crossed out something here. Probably something that it should have came with, but it didn't. Or they changed in the meantime. Flap here protects the jump starter itself. Take this out. Look at the other accessories here. USB Type-C charging cable. Now what I've noticed on these is you want to charge them at least once every 6 months. Twice a year would be great, just to make sure that you have a good charge on this, because a lot of these, when they get below 50%, it's not going to have quite enough to jump start. Maybe a smaller 4-cylinder you could, but not the bigger V8 or V6. Jumper cable here. No display on this, so it's pretty much a plug and play. Clamps feel good. Got metal inside with plastic coating. Wire looks pretty thick there. Nice case. Now the case is padded and also lined as well. Let's go ahead and take the jump starter out. There it is. Nice and yellow, bright colored power button there. Fully charged right out of the box. Here's some information here again on the bottom. ABS plastic. Now it feels like the batteries are more at this end. It definitely feels heavier on this side. Do have your USB ports here. That's a high amp. This is standard. Now this one is just the Type-C input for charging the unit. Some of the other ones I have both in and out, so you can use the 30-40 watt output of this one. This one here I believe is 25 watt, which is pretty powerful. Built-in flashlight. See how that works. Normally you have to press and hold Press and hold the power button. It's just a flood beam on that. This light output's going to be good for if you have to change a tire or some type of emergency on the vehicle. Seeing the battery underneath your hood, it's definitely going to come in handy. It's got a strobe, SOS, and that turns it off. Battery level indicator there. Feels pretty rugged. It's got some weight to it. It's not super heavy. So now let me grab my cell phone, see if we can check out this port, see if it really does put out that higher amp. I'll see it on the display on my phone. Let's see here if we can turn on the unit. Showing the orb there, so it's probably not the highest amp. So let me double check here. Yeah, it does have the lightning bolt on there, so it is a fast charging rate, but not the fastest. So that's good. Now these here have come in very handy for me in the past, and I've given them to all my family members because you just never know going down the road. So I was noticing that this here says Titan series, so I'm not too sure what that's all about. So let's go ahead and take it out in my garage and let's test out this little side light, see how it does. We are out here in the darkness of my garage with the GooLoo jump starter here. Just turned on the button. We're going to press down and hold. There we go. Good light output. Definitely is more than enough to see just about anything, emergency speaking, and should be doing real well in most applications. So more than enough coverage. Definitely is more of a flood beam. And we'll click the button again, and you get the strobe and SOS, and one click turns it off. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that little demonstration of the side light. It's going to provide light when you don't have it, especially in emergency. The power bank feature, you're camping or something, and for some reason everything else is drained out, or you don't have a power source to charge your battery for your cell phone. This will do so, as well as running a small light. You can do so as well with this. You're going to get a lot of runtime on this if you use it as a power bank. Jump starter, these here take a good 15% off the battery after a couple of times charging it. So that's just on my personal experience with them. So you're limited on how many times you can jump start your vehicle. So once or twice a year, charge it up, top it off, keep it ready to go for you for your next emergency, or if you just want to help out another person that's stranded. I don't have a vehicle to jumpstart this with, but these do come in very handy, very easy. What do you want to do? According to the instructions, most of them, you hook this onto the battery and then you plug this into the unit to prevent any kind of spark near the battery, which can cause fire or explosions. So these here are very safe. Also, when you're plugging it in, this doesn't have any power till you hit that button. So if you just plug it in here, then hook it up to the battery, then hit the power button, you should be safe. There's no spark, no chance of any kind of dangerous explosion. So these here, I can't tell you how much any vehicle, all vehicle that you own. Personally, I have one in each one. I've even given them to my kids, my family members. They make great gift ideas. Definitely want to pick up one or two extra for that purpose, because you just never know. So we're going to go ahead and put it all away, see how it looks. I even keep the manual in here as well, in case you ever have any kind of questions. You can do so. Fits all nicely in here. Put this right in your trunk or storage area of your vehicle that's big enough to hold it. Nice. Definitely is a nice unit, especially for the price. They do have more powerful ones. This one here, they say can jumpstart a V8, so that's impressive. Now I want to thank GooLoo for sending me this GP2000 jump starter to review. Now if you are interested in this kit, I will leave a link down in the description box below the video. I am working on a special discount code. Once I do get it, it'll be there as well, just in case you're interested in getting this for yourself or a family member as a gift. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel if you wish. Every little bit helps. Otherwise, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these jump starters from GooLoo to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.